Hi, Shanta. This is Carolyn with Peachtree City Digital Marketing Agency. It was great speaking with you on the phone. Here's a video I recorded for you that shows 3 tips you can do today to set your company above your competition and bring in more customers to your business. The 3 things we're going to talk about: first, content; the second would be citations; and the last one would be backlinks. Now, content is basically anything that you see on your website, including pictures, keywords, meta descriptions, picture tags that are most relevant to the business and the services that you provide. So why is this important? Google uses robots or spiders that crawl the web 24/7, reading all your content on your site, depending on competition and number of keywords needed. Now, a keyword is anything someone might type into Google search looking for a particular service or product. For example, I typed in here general contractors, Morrow, Georgia, so I could find general contractors, Morrow, Georgia. So that's similar to what I was saying. So now those are keywords, for example, that you would use in your site. You can have general contractors or one-step-up consultation or one-step-up room addition, in your content. So let's take a look at your home page. All right, you have a very nice, attractive picture on your home page. I like your pictures. Your services are here, and your pictures and everything are here. But you need to have at least 1,500 words on your home page. The more unique, relevant, high-quality, authoritative content you have, the more likely Google's going to rank you higher in the search results when people are searching for businesses like yours. So when you include in your content these specific keywords, that tells Google can tell searchers that you do exist. In addition to that, Google also reads behind pictures. So if I right-click, let's see, one of your pictures and go save as. All right, you have service too. What these need to be saved as is those keywords. You offer plumbing services. Let's see what you have on this one. Okay, save image as. This should say plumbing service. So if someone Googles plumbing service, this will pick up also on your website. So little things like that can boost your presence online and drive more traffic to you. So let's take a look at what I did. Searching Google, the first thing we see generally at the top would be Google Ads, but somehow they're showing their ads at the bottom. And most people seldom click on ads. In fact, certain ad blockers that people put in their browsers don't even see these ads. So you'll be missing out on your market if you're only doing ads. Now, the second thing we're going to talk about are called citations. And if we go right back here, this is called the map pack. A citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in this area here, which is extremely important for local businesses, since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. Getting listed in directories like Yelp, Angie, Yellow Pages, Home Advisor, and hundreds of others, including social media accounts, will get you in the map pack. So we have House here, Yelp, these directories. If you're listed in these directories with your name, business name, number, and address shown exactly as per your Google business profile, it boosts your business tremendously. All right, so the whole idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is to rank you above them. Now let's take a look and see what your number one competitor is. When I did the search on general contractors in Morrow, what came up here, this business is closed, was Jerry L. Johnson and Associates. So to further analyze To further analyze how your business ranks, we use a tool called Ahrefs. But first of all, let's look at your competition's website, because you can outrank them if you put the things that are missing on your website. All right, so here's a nice website here too, the graphics and everything. But as you can see, they do not have 1,500 words on their page. So they're not having enough competition. So that gives you an edge, because he's not having enough competition with just, what he has here. You still have that opportunity if you update your website with the things that Google are looking for to outrank and take the position that he has in the map pack right here. So we use a tool called Ahrefs. I'm going to take you over there right now, and let's take a look at what you have. So I can see here that let me tell you what a backlink is first. That's the third thing we're going to talk about. Backlinks are other websites with links that are most relevant to your industry, linking back to your website and helping you get ranked for those keywords and phrases. This process drives traffic back to your business. Once your content, backlinks, and citations come together, you will start to outgrow your competitors. So I see you have here one backlink coming from one referring website and 0 organic keywords, which is giving you 0 traffic to your website. And I looked at your website, a little deeper, and I see where you had a peak here in May, and now you're kind of leveling off. So I believe that if you add those things that I'm suggesting, you definitely should begin to see a peak up going further up. All right, so let's see. All right, let's take a look at the competitors site. Let's go to overview. My computer is running a little slow. All right, so the UR here is the trust factor. Tells in how much Google trusts your website. And the DR is the power factor behind your website. And let's take a look. So we definitely have to boost you right there. And Jerry L. Johnson Associates has 365 backlinks coming from 78 referring websites. So what we do, we can go in, look and see what his backlinks are, and copy and increase them so that you can have more than what he has. But it's not just the backlinks, it's the overall everything, the content, the citations, and the backlinks, the keywords, everything that play. So you do have an advantage of outranking this competitor once we do what Google is looking for and a little more. So let's look at their organic keywords. All right, he has his company name, construction, company name, construction. This is giving him 200 searches per month in the first position, 150 in the first position, just his name alone, 700, but he has these all in here. So let's say you could have had general contractors, you could have one step up construction, one step up room additions, plumbing, one step up. Those things would, help you to boost that. All right. So the overall goal here is for you to have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content with organic keywords and meta description pictures. 2, citations, and 3, a strong source of backlinks driving traffic back to your website. Like I say, you do have a nice looking website. We just need to boost it up. I'll give it some vitamins and get it going. All right. I hope this free audit video has been informative for you. Feel free to use these tips yourself or give them to your marketing team if you need to. Or if you'd like to see how Peachtree City SEO and digital marketing can help you grow your business, please leave me a review and give me a call. Thank you so much for watching.